Hey, this is Pierre Delacote working at Planet Technologies. Is it hard to follow the updates in Microsoft 365? I have a hard time to follow that. What's coming soon? When is it rolled out? What has been launched? What is in development? You can go there and filter. But I'd rather have an Excel file and filter pretty quickly on different aspects. So I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to use the powerful Excel tool. And in Excel, you have the ability to connect to as a data from the web. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to import this URL and we'll see what happens. So it discovers if you want to see how it works, you can go here in the web preview. It discovers what's in the page. It highlights exactly what I want, so I want that. But as you can see, there's the name of the product and then the description. I would like to filter on the name of the product, and there are other stuff that I don't like. So, for example, the dates. I don't like that because I cannot do anything with a CY. So I'm going to transform data. I will launch Power Query. So first thing, I'm going to get rid of separate this column too, and I don't want the when it was updated or what. So I'm gonna select the column, split the column, and I'm gonna use the column delimiter because I want it to split here. I just want two columns here and here. The rest I don't care. I'm not sure what this is about, but let's do that. So I have now two columns. That's perfect. Here, what I don't like is the way there's a carriage return here. So I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna replace the value. So I think the carriage return is, let's try this. CR by H, no, sorry, by nothing it won't work. So let's try CR, change it by no. I think maybe there's a hashtag before. Um, I think that's what it is. So let's see. Yeah, that's it. So hashtag CR. Then last thing for this column, I want really get rid of the CY. So same thing, I'm going to replace CY by nothing. And I want this to be a date. So I'm going to change it from text to date. Much better. And I think I'm ready. So I'm going to save and close. It's going to do the query, the formatting, the extraction, the formatting. And here it is. So now it's really powerful because now if I'm interested by one product, I just unselect all the product and select the product that I'm interested in. So let's find Microsoft Teams somewhere. There it is. Okay, so it's filtered pretty quickly. Now I just want to see, I don't care about what was launched. I just want to know what is rolling out. And boom, I have it right away. If I want to see everything. Okay, I'm gonna look at that, but I can also change, I want only to see 2021 and maybe only the last 3 months. Okay, boom. And now maybe I want to filter a little bit more. I want to find out what about GCCI. So I'm gonna filter by the word GCCI. Apparently there's GCCI everywhere here. What if it's just GCC? Not sure. There's GCC everywhere. No, not here. But yeah, I can filter that way. Let me select everything. See if apparently there's a lot of GCCI rolling out in the status. There are some features that are only commercial. So maybe let maybe say just launched. So that way I can find, for example, if I want to know everything that has been launched in GCC, that's how I do it. And what did I do here? I'm gonna select everything. Here it is. Everything that has been launched on Teams. If I want to look at all the product, let's say Outlook, SharePoint. Okay, the list is bigger. So that way you can find pretty quickly, depending on your environment, on your product, on the status, on the dates, what is going on with those updates. So that's, I think it's very convenient and it helps to follow what's going on. Also, I did something else. I did Power Automate. I think I showed that in another video how you can leverage the RSS feed. So I did the same thing. I grabbed the RSS feed here and I created a Power Automate the flow. So let's look at my flow here. So I think maybe it was this one, I'm not sure. Yeah, so this one I'm gonna rename it. So you can filter before. I'm not sure if I filter this before. I do that and I put it in a channel called My Alerts. And now if you want to look, if you want to have a notification every time there's My Alerts, for example, sorry. So here I see yesterday what has changed.